Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best wall mount fans that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for an affordable option or something industrial grade, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the A's Outdoor 20-inch wall mount fan. This industrial-grade fan is built for heavy-duty use, offering a whopping 7,000 CFM airflow capacity. The upgraded spiral blowing technology ensures that the air reaches up to 50 feet, making it perfect for large spaces like warehouses, hospitals, or workshops. Featuring a 1,300 RPM motor and aluminum blades. This fan delivers robust performance without wobbling or vibrating, even at its highest speed. In terms of design, the A's Outdoor fan utilizes durable materials, including a copper core coil and a tight mesh grill for added safety. It oscillates 120 degrees horizontally and can be manually adjusted 60 degrees vertically, giving you full control over airflow direction. Additionally, it's ETL listed, ensuring compliance with safety standards. While it's not the quietest fan at 55 dB, this is a fair trade-off considering its exceptional airflow power. The A's Outdoor fan is ideal for those seeking industrial-grade cooling for large spaces. However, its lack of a price tag and slightly heavier build may leave some consumers hesitant. Overall, it's a solid option for users who prioritize performance and durability. Pros include its high airflow capacity, flexible rotation, and rugged construction. On the downside, it's more suited to commercial use and less to residential settings. At number 4, we have the Airbition 8 small wall mount fan. This compact yet powerful fan is perfect for tight spaces like bedrooms, offices, or RVs. Its 7-blade design and DC motor create an impressively high-velocity airflow with 4 speed settings, ranging from 2.8 meters per second to 5.8 meters per second. It also features a 90-degree oscillation and 120-degree tilt adjustment, ensuring optimal air circulation in small to medium-sized rooms. Design-wise, this stand is constructed with durable ABS plastic blades and comes with a remote control for added convenience. It has a built-in timer with customizable shutoff options ranging from 30 minutes to 8 hours, making it energy efficient and user-friendly. At just 50 dB, it's one of the quieter fans on this list, making it ideal for bedrooms or workspaces where noise may be an issue. However, its smaller size means it's not suitable for cooling large spaces. The Airbition fan is a versatile choice for residential use. Its compact design, remote control features, and quiet operation make it a great option for personal cooling needs. Pros include its portability, energy efficiency, and ease of use. On the downside, it lacks the power and coverage needed for larger areas. Coming in at number 3 is the Vevor 18-inch wall mount fan, a mid-range option that offers a solid balance between price and performance. With a maximum airflow of 4,000 CFM, it's ideal for both residential and commercial settings, including basements, workshops, and greenhouses. The fan features a 90-degree oscillation function and vertical tilt adjustment, allowing for broad and customizable airflow coverage. The Vevor fan boasts a rugged metal construction with aluminum blades that are easy to clean and maintain. Its fully sealed 73-watt motor operates at 55 dB, offering a quieter experience compared to other industrial-grade fans. The unit is ETL listed for safety and comes with a 6-foot power cord for convenient installation. While it doesn't have remote control functionality, the pull string mechanism is straightforward and reliable. For its price point, the Vevor fan delivers great value. It's perfect for users who need reliable cooling without breaking the bank. Pros include its durable construction, adjustable airflow, and moderate noise level. Cons include the lack of advanced features like remote control or timer settings, which may limit its appeal to tech-savvy buyers. At number 2, we have the Comfort Zone Oscillating wall mount fan, which is an excellent budget-friendly option for everyday use. This 16-inch fan offers 3 speed settings and a 90-degree oscillation feature to cover medium-sized rooms like bedrooms, gyms, and offices. With an airflow rate of 414 CFM and whisper-quiet operation at 55 dB, it provides a comfortable cooling experience without disrupting your environment. The fan features a metal grille for added safety and adjustable tilt functionality for directed airflow. Its pull-cord operation is simple, and the lightweight design makes it easy to install on any wall. Although it lacks advanced features like a timer or remote control, its performance and affordability make it a standout option in the budget category. The Comfort Zone fan is perfect for those on a tight budget who still want reliable cooling. Its low price point, quiet operation, and decent airflow make it a solid choice for personal or small-scale use. Pros include affordability, ease of installation, and quiet performance. The cons? It's not powerful enough for larger spaces or heavy-duty use. Finally, at number 1, we have the iLiving 18-inch wall-mounted fan, the premium choice for those looking for industrial-grade performance and durability. With an impressive airflow capacity of 6,360 CFM, this fan is designed to cool large spaces quickly, whether it's a garage, patio, workshop, or greenhouse. Its weatherproof design and corrosion-resistant finish make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. And it's even compatible with a mist kit for added cooling during hot summer days. The iLiving fan features a sealed 168-watt motor, an OSHA-approved safety grille, and an adjustable wall bracket for versatile mounting options. The pull chain operation allows you to switch between 3 speed settings easily, and the 10-foot power cord provides flexibility during installation. While it's heavier at 20 pounds, this weight is a testament to its durable construction. At 4.6 out of 5 stars from thousands of reviews, it's clear that customers appreciate its reliable performance. The iLiving fan is ideal for those who need maximum power and resilience, making it perfect for commercial or outdoor use. Pros include its high airflow capacity, weatherproof design, and mist kit compatibility. The cons is the most expensive option on this list and heavier than other models, which might make installation a bit challenging for some users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, stay cool and take care.